Hi Kathy, this is John with Opals. I thought I would send a custom video for you. I have generic, but I thought I'd send a custom one regarding inventory to you. We have a new tool that'll make inventory easy. You have to scan all the barcodes. I assume maybe you'll have a laptop and you can plug a scanner into it, or maybe you have a wireless scanner. And to scan your items, it used to be you would use the Windows Notepad. It's a very simple word processing program, very simple, but it's perfect for barcodes. Well, we've put one inside of Opals, so you would go to Admin, Reports and Tools, and you'll go to the Hit File Manager. This can be used for all sorts of things in Opals. You'll open the Hit File Manager, say on the laptop, and you'll start scanning barcodes. The scanner will click the OK button. You could scan hundreds of barcodes in. Then you'll click Save to a File and save it and name it something like Inventory Spring 2024, whatever, and the barcode or the call number range. Okay? It's good to put the range in just so you know what the files are. I wouldn't scan your whole collection into one file in case anything went wrong. You'd lose it all. When I've done inventory in the past, prior to Opals, using Opals, I would scan, say, the hundreds, 200s, 300s, depending on the size of the collection, and make a file called 100s through 399s or something like that. Okay? All right. So you'll be using the barcode hit list creator. And now I'm going to run. I'm not going to use this. I'm not in your library, but I did get some barcodes to show you how the inventory process will work. I got them from your library site. So to go to inventory, admin, inventory. You've got some that are quite old. You don't need those. I'm going to delete them. Well, you can delete them if you like, but there's no reason to have them at all. So we're going to click New Inventory. Okay. And I'm going to do it by range. I just did the 100s through the 199. So I'm going to do 100 through 199. Okay. So I'm using by range. You can do the whole collection, and that would mean that you've scanned all the barcodes. But for today, I'm just showing you a range. By the way, when I was in a school before Opals, we would do ranges, and then it's a lot less to work with. You've done the range, say 100s through 399s, then you deal with the reports and end with it, and then go do another one. Everybody has their own way of doing it. All right, so I'm going to do the 100 through 199s. I'm doing book, not journal, so I'll uncheck that. I'm not doing AV, I'm not doing playaway, not DVDs, not professional, not reference. I'm doing G, the general collection, in this clip. So I'm going to add barcodes from a file. This is where you've used the Hit File Manager, named it, saved it. Maybe have a desktop file or folder called Inventory Spring 2024 and put your files in there and then access them. All right, so now I'm going to go get the file that I've created. Browse. It's here. And here's the file, Inventory 2024 100s. All right, there's the barcodes. I'm opening it. Here they are. I'm going to add. Okay, so I've added the range, 30 barcodes. Okay, and I'll make this a little smaller. You can see all the barcodes over here, and you'll see the call numbers. Okay, so I'm only doing the range, 100s. I've added my barcode. Now I click Do Inventory. And yeah, I'm just going to say yes. All right. And now it's processed. Now, by the way, this is not real. I did remove barcodes on purpose so you could see the reports. Missing, not scanned. There's 10 items. View, edit, that were missing in my scan. And it tells you, there's the barcode. The item type is G. It's a book. The title and the call number. Okay, these are missing. Now you could go back to the shelves and see where they are, and they're in call number order. You might want to print this, print all, and take take this out to the stacks and make sure you didn't miss something. Or if you know you didn't miss something, then you could even mark selected as missing right over here, or you could mark all as missing, etc. So that's one way of dealing with it. So there's 10 that are missing, and I verified they're missing. I could say mark all as missing. All right, let's go back to inventory. Let's see if you have anything. Okay, loaned but shelved. In other words, maybe a student thought they were doing you a favor, brought a book back, didn't drop it off at the circ desk, and put it out into the stacks for you, but it's still marked as loaned. You can see what that is by clicking View Edit. And now we're seeing that this barcode for this book, call number previous to. So 155.4 TEL is right before this one. Probably a couple with the same call number, and it's telling you to go get this book. And well, you could return it, or you could go see who brought it back in first. So you could go find the book, scan the barcode into, say, the item tab information, and see who may still have it out on loan and let them know, something like that. Or you could return them. You could just check this and return them. Okay, and back to inventory results. Okay, all right, now no call number. If there was some barcode that you scanned and the record didn't have a call number, it would tell you. Misplaced out of range. This would tell you how, if they're out of range. If you had a 900 call number within the 100s, it would say that there's one out of range, and it would tell you where it is. Invalid. Invalid comes up sometimes if the barcode is wrinkled or sharp tape is on the barcode and it doesn't read correctly. You may get an invalid. Outside of checked marked media, that would mean that I scanned a video cassette or a DVD, but I didn't have it checked. So it's telling you, hey, you scanned a DVD in the books, and it'll show you where that may be. So inventory is really quite easy. Basically scan your items. I like ranges. Keeps it nice, because if you put in the entire collection here, you might have a lot more to deal with. So I personally like doing a range. Then you resolve any of the issues that might come up, and you're done. But everyone has their own way of doing it. I hope this short clip helps, and email anytime.